This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at how to open a stuck or faulty cash drawer on the Sharp registers. In this video I'm using the XE-A303 model, but the process will be the same across the range. So the first thing to do is I like to remove the key, make sure the till's not connected to the power, and then what you're looking for, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to turn the machine on its side for the purposes of the video, just to show you what you're looking for. So this is the underside of the cash register, the base. You're basically looking for this lever here. If you press that lever in, you should hear the drawer mechanism fire. So you don't have to lift the till on its side to do that. You can reach under it and feel for it. But that's basically what you're looking for. If you press that lever, that fires the drawer open, and then that manually fires it. So if it doesn't open at that point, it could be because the drawer's actually locked. But then once you've got it to this point, you can lift up the cash drawer insert, pop that to one side, that's removable. And then the actual drawer or drawer slide is on runners, so you have to tilt the till up to kind of angle the drawer mechanism out. So you can see it's just on these runners or rollers, wheels. Move that to one side. And if you were just opening the drawer because you'd lost power and you needed to get access to your money, then obviously that's the end of the process. But if you were having a problem actually getting the drawer to open at all because you thought it might be stuck or have developed some type of fault, then basically this is what you're looking for. So this is the inside of the cash drawer. You've got a wheel here and a wheel on this side, that's what the insert sits on, and then the key bits are towards the back. So here you've got the spring, which is normally pressed in, and then you've got the cash drawer firing mechanism here, and then in between them there's the wire connector that runs down from the circuit board onto the PCB that basically tells the till, fires the till. It says, yep, the till drawer needs to open. What you're looking for is any type of, like with any drawer I guess that's stuck, you're looking for some type of obstruction. It can be here, it can be anything. I've had it before. I've had pens inside till drawers, coins that have come loose from the insert and then piled up. I've even had something as small as a £10 note stuck at the back, folded up, and that's caused like an obstruction that stopped the drawer firing open. I'm basically looking for anything that's causing an obvious obstruction. If you can't see an obvious obstruction, then it could be something wrong here. So you're looking for any damage around that sort of area. What you can also do is if you're finding that the drawer mechanism's working but it's sticking a bit, if it's a 303, it's going to be an old machine. These machines have been around for over 20 years. You can use silicone lubricant, silicone grease, to kind of give it a bit of a spray in there to like free things up a bit. Kind of want it on the area at the back as well, just to like provide some grease to help the drawer get moving again. Okay, well, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the XE-A303 and plenty of other Sharp cash registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.